Lowe's. At the Lowe's, and we are getting stuff to work on the boat. Rebuild the transom and build a deck for fly fishing off of. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so good morning. I am still asleep. So we're working on the boat. Replacing the transom wood. A few years ago, I replaced it and I put a solid piece of wood in. And as I would rev up the motor, you could see the crack. And it's cracked all the way down. Yes, it's not cracked all the way through, but it is hinge wood, and the motor was trying to go kind of like it is now, backwards. And so what I was trying, I should have went and used plywood, and I had treated lumber. And so what I did is went and got some treated wood and finishing that up. And then also I'm going to build a deck system up here to fly fish off of. I'm going to put some EVA foam on it and stuff like that. It's going to look really good. I'm going to EVA foam the seats, and also I'm going also I'm going to put a new water pump in the boat motor. I do it. I'm real religious about that. I always put a new water pump, especially in these older ones. I put it on, and everybody's like, "Oh, it's pumping good." I was like, yeah. I was trained by a couple of old school men on working on boat motors, and they told me to replace that water pump every year, and that is what I do. So I'll go pick up one of those and replace the water pump. It is a 1969 18 horse Evinrude, and I have two of those. I have a 25 horse and an 18 horse, and I rebuilt the whole lower unit in both of them in 2016, and I went through the carburetors and everything, in 2016. I haven't really used it that much, but all my friends and everybody's getting boats and doing stuff like that. So I've got my boat. I'm gonna give it a little bit of TLC, go through this, finish doing the transom, and then build this decking system. I'm not build the decking system today, but I've got kind of where I want to go with it. And but I can get out on the water today. I have a friend that just bought a boat, and they're taking their boat out, so I'm gonna get this one running just in case I need to pull them in or something. You never know. It's a new boat. Don't know it may have some bugs. So anyway, let's get to this, and I'll try to video some of this as we go. Also, we have a kayak regatta coming up at the end of April in Tishomingo, Oklahoma, and that's going to be a lot of fun. So I've got to get my kayaks out too, clean them up. Why is it so dark? There we go. Get them out and clean them up, go through all the gear, make sure mice and rodents hadn't chewed up all my cables and stuff. But this is what we're going to work on today. So I've got treated lumber, but I'm going to go ahead and just add some Thompson's water seal to it and just let it soak in on the pieces where we cut. I'm just going to add some Thompson's water seal to this, top and bottom, where we cut it. Just let it soak in, just to give it a little bit more water protection. I just got the clear multi-use. leaks so far.
That's good sign. Jason, what's wrong with these boats?
Nothing, they both float.
Oh, why don't we turn that one into a skiff?
A big one?
Yeah.
Good. No leaks so far. All right. All right, let's see if this thing, make sure it ain't locked up. I hadn't started this thing in over a year. It started right up. Try to drag this out of the way. That way I can pull the boat right there.
Hey, something just went off in the water right there.
I can't hear.
You knocked something off in the water. I think it was your GoPro on your chest.